Hello traders, welcome to Simple Trading Style, and today we're going to talk about weekly stock market update, and we will figure out, are USA stock markets toppy? What's going on with USA stock markets on weekly time frame? Now, as usually, let's move to 5 rules of risk management. Please read it and use it every single trade and you will be successful. Okay, today we are going to talk about V-Bull. V-Bull. Now let's move to V-Bull. If you want to learn more about V-Bull setup, just go to the description. There is the link about V-Bull setup and other links about all my trainings. I'm going to use weekly time frame for technical analysis review. I don't trade on a weekly time frame. For swing trading, I'm using daily time frame only. Daily and 4 hours time frame, not only daily and 4 hours. Okay, let me briefly mention about my setup. I'm using moving averages. White line, it's a MA200. Let me open this line. This line shows the value and value of each line. MA200 white line, MA100 purple line, MA50 blue line, MA20 yellow line, MA10 red line, MA green, MA5 line. Green, it's a MA5, very important, right? Because like it works, you see, I told you later. Okay, MACD indicator lines, RSI indicators lines, awesome oscillator line bars. Very simple, that's all. It's simple, but it's not easy because emotions involved. But if you follow indicators, you will be successful because indicators do not have emotions. And remember, we follow the trend, we don't fight with the trend. And it's very simple, right? Look at it. When bars above MA5, MA5 green line. When bars above MA5, it is bullish trend. When bars below MA5, it is bearish trend. Very simple. And yeah, usually for daily swing trading, I don't use MA200 and MA100 purple line and a blue line MA50. For weekly and monthly review, I do use it. You see, now the last bar, like 4 weeks ago, USA dollar bounce, and for last 4 weeks it was bullish, and now it's kind of closed above MA5, 10, 20, and 100. It's only below MA50. It's getting to bullish territory. MACD and RSI already did bullish crossover. Awesome oscillator still bearish. Dollar is getting bullish. If it's going, at least I think it can go and move to MA50 and touch the MA50 like here. You see? It did touch the MA50 and it was rejected. It's possible that it can move to MA50 and will be rejected from MA50 also. It will be resistant level. We'll see. So far it is powerful, still so far bullish. It's negative for equities. Now let's move to Qs. Let's start weekly also. Qs, you see it was how simple from October, right? From January, bars moved above MA5 and it was bullish trend from January. For last 8 months it was very bullish, for the 7 months. This was end of July, and last 2 bars, it's the beginning of the August. This is the second week of the August. 2 red bars, 2 red weeks, and Qs already kind of gave us back already 2 red weeks, right? And MACD, RSI still kind of positive. And last bar still about 20. Remember, while we are at about 20, it is kind of still in the bullish territory. But it's still disconnected from 20. It definitely wants to connect back to 20. It's building bearish reversal signal. Not confirmed yet. No any confirmation yet. Just preliminary signal. On daily time frame, it's completely different. On daily time frame, it is already gave us bearish reversal signal. MA5, let me maximize it. MA5, 10 and last bar already gave us bearish reversal signal. MACD gave us bearish reversal signal. RSI and Fibonacci, awesome oscillator, they all gave us bearish reversal signal. It is bearish trend on all indicators, right? On daily time frame for Qs. Volatility indexes, VXN volatility index for Qs, still positive, still bullish crossover. It is negative bearish for Qs, but generally it's still in the low territory. No fear on the market for Nasdaq. S&P 500, SPX. SPX. Let's see, SPX. What's going on with SPX, right? SPX. Last 2 weeks also 2 red bars. Stopped at MA10. Still bullish on all indicators. Only awesome oscillator red. Generally still in a bullish position, in a bullish territory. Let me close it. Still bullish trend on weekly time frame for SPX. Daily it's different, right? MA5, 10 and bars moved below 20. It is bearish reversal signal on MACD, RSI on awesome oscillator. All indicators bearish. Last bar it stopped at MA50. MA50 can be strong support. You see here, it was very strong support and it did bounce from it multiple times, right? We'll see. Will it bounce from MA50? If it's going to move below 50, it will be very negative. Very negative. So far, it's already in bearish reversal signal on daily time frame. And weekly it is still positive, still bullish. But last bar disconnected from 20, definitely it wants to connect back to 20. VIX, volatility index for S&P 500, still kind of in a bullish reversal signals. Last week it was very negative, but on moving averages, on all indicators, still in a bullish reversal signal. Still in a bearish territory, but bullish reversal signal. It is negative for S&P 500. At the same time, it's in the lowest position. No fear on the market. Still no fear on the market. Still extreme greed. Dow Jones weekly. Dow Jones weekly, it didn't change anything. Very positive, very bullish, still in a bullish trend, still last bar above all moving averages, all indicators bullish. Dow Jones very strong and bullish. Only one index that positive and bullish. On weekly, let's check daily. Daily is different, right? MA5 did bearish reversal signal over 10 and 20. Even last bar closed above MA20, but it is bearish reversal signal. All indicators, MACD, RSI, awesome oscillator, they all in a bearish reversal signal on daily time frame. On weekly, it's still fully positive. And VXD still bullish on all indicators, also in the lowest level, but still did bullish reversal signal on all indicators. It is bearish for Dow Jones Index. IWM Russell 2000 weekly time frame, 2 last week in a row bearish, red signal. All indicators still positive, still bullish. MA20 did bullish crossover over 200. Still in the bullish territory because last bar still about 10 and 20. Still very disconnected from 20. Definitely it wants to connect back to 20. Still bullish. Still bullish on weekly time frame. On daily time frame, IWM in bearish reversal signal. MA5, MA10 did bearish crossover over 20 over yellow line, and last bar closed below all 3 moving averages lines. Still about 200. All indicators already bearish. Now let's move to Apple. Apple, the biggest, the largest, the most expensive company in the world, right? It used to be on the top of the market, it used to be $3 trillion. Now I think it's corrected already because it's like minus, it moved from almost $200, it lowered to 176, right? It's a minus 10%, more than 10+% already did correction. Apple did 10% correction. It means from $1 trillion they already cut $300 billion, around something. I'm not talking about perfect number, but they cut already 10% of the value. Bearish reversal signal on weekly time frame for Apple. Apple already bearish. Q's not bearish yet, but Apple already did. Apple already did a bearish reversal signal. On daily, similar, right? Bearish reversal on all indicators are assigned very oversold territory below 30. It left gap down, bearish reversal trend. Bearish reversal trend. Now let's move to Tesla. Tesla, it's in a similar mode, right? Tesla from the top of the market, it was almost $300. Now it closed around $240. It's a minus $60, around, not perfect number, around $60. It means minus 20% on Tesla. Tesla already did correction, 20% correction. MACD RSI didn't confirm bearish crossover yet. Awesome Oscillator confirmed bearish crossover, and MA5 did bearish crossover over 10 also. Weekly, right? Tesla is building bearish reversal. Daily, MA5, 10 did bearish crossover, last bar below MA5, 10 and 20. Bearish location, bearish reversal signal on all indicators, right? Daily, Tesla negative bearish. And RSI, it's not an oversold territory yet. Okay, let's move to BABA. Alibaba Group. It's small on weekly, did bullish crossover, still kind of flat for several months. Flat for several months and dancing around MA20. But it is positive. Daily time frame. It was positive, it was bullish, but recently on daily time frame, last week it did bearish reversal. Bearish reversal on all indicators. Nvidia was the most powerful stock, right? And last 2 weeks in a row it did bearish reversal. It also moved from $480 to already close to $408. $400 touched, right? Almost 403. It's like $80 move already. It's a minus 20% correction. Nvidia already did 20% correction and it just started bearish reversal signal on all indicators. Just started bearish reversal signal on moving averages. It didn't even start it yet. It moved below 510, MA5 and MA10, still above 20. For bearish reversal, we need bar move below 20. That's what we are observing, bearish reversal signal, right? And daily time frame, different story. It's also in bearish reversal signal, but it is confirmed already. On weekly, it's not confirmed. On daily, MA5 and 10 and bars below 20, it is confirmed bearish reversal. I believe this 20% gap, $60 gap, will be closed. And yeah, bearish reversal signal on all indicators. No changes. A lot of strong support around this level, around $300. Around $300. It definitely wants to move to $300 level. And MA200 will be at this level also. Okay, now let's move to Microsoft. Microsoft weekly. 4 weeks in a row it is bearish, right? 4 weeks in a row. MA5 did already bearish crossover. Last bar stopped at MA20. Strong support MA20, can bounce from it, or it can continue. We'll see. MACD, RSI, Osmo Oscillator, they all bearish. Microsoft from the top, from the recent top, 366, almost $367, right? Now it's around $321. It's a minus $65. It is 20% correction for Microsoft already. It did 20% correction. On weekly, on daily, it is in the bearish reversal trend on all time frames. I'm sorry, all time frames, on all indicators. Last bar below MA5, 10 and 20. Bearish reversal trend. Amazon. Let's see Amazon. Let's start Amazon weekly. Weekly, Amazon powerful, very bullish. Very bullish. MA5 did bullish crossover over 200. All moving averages 5, 10, and 20 uptrend direction, even 200 uptrend direction. It is bullish trend. When all moving averages uptrend, it is bullish trend. You see here, all moving averages were downtrend. It was bearish trend. Now all moving averages uptrend. It's a bullish trend. So far, bullish trend on weekly time frame for Amazon. Amazon daily time frame, still flat, still bullish, right? It did huge gap up on the earnings day, and it's kind of decreasing value every day. It's it's building bearish reversal, but slowly. So far, no sellers, and still positive bullish signal on daily also. This gap will be closed also. That's all, but Amazon still positive, right? We have one equity, Amazon is positive, and one index, Dow Jones, is positive. That's what we do. Let's do summary. Yeah, one index, Dow Jones, still positive mode, still bullish on weekly and daily, and Amazon also positive bullish on daily and weekly. All other indexes, they all bearish. Also, and dollar, USA dollar, DXY, also bullish. 3 items in my watch list, bullish. Everything else, bearish on weekly time frame, bearish reversal, and on daily time frame, they all fully confirmed bearish reversal trend on daily time frame. On weekly, there it was toppy market. It's a top of the market. I believe it was top of the market last 4 weeks. Actually, not 4 weeks, like 2 weeks ago. Last July, end of July, it was top of the market, and August it started bearish reversal. And remember, it is seasonal, and the August, September, and October, the most weakest months of the year. It's possible that we are getting to bearish weakest season, and market will do correction. It already did, like I showed you, right? Like Tesla already did 20% correction. Apple already did, the most expensive stock in the world, did 10% correction. Nvidia did 20% correction. Microsoft did 20% correction. A lot, multiple mega stocks from the Mega 8 already did nice correction. Between 10 and 20% correction. That's what we observe. Market in the correction mode already. And at the same time, sentiment still bullish. Investors, they still have bullish sentiment. They still buy every dip. They're still in the bullish mode. They didn't change the mode yet. Sentiment still bullish. We need some larger trigger to destroy bullish sentiment mode. So far, buyers buy every dip. Something will change. We'll see. We are in the reverse, in the bearish reversal signal from the top of the market. That's all. Let's move. My disclaimer. Let me turn my disclaimer. Disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. This video for educational and informational purposes only. And remember, for educational purpose, I am using paper trading simulator as long as we need to get constantly profitable at least for 6 months. Thank you for watching simple trading style video. I do publish daily, weekly, monthly updates for stocks, ETFs, indexes and cryptos. Please subscribe to YouTube channel, click like button to support this channel. And I wish you good luck and thank you. Goodbye.